watching GITIXONE trading channel. You're going to learn a lot today. Hope you're ready. Okay.
With so much conflicting advice, trading has become a battlefield of opinions. From social media hype to expert analysis, new traders often find themselves overwhelmed, struggling to separate useful insights from noise. But here's the truth. No two traders approach the market the same way. Some rely on indicators, while others prefer a more intuitive or analytical approach. Does indicators guarantee profit or lead to losses?
Is there any sort of indicators or strategies that you recommend new traders to start with and learn about?
Absolutely so.
The answer lies in your experience and how you use them. Through my own approach, I categorize indicators into two distinct groups: signal indicators and information indicators. What are signal indicators? These indicators give direct buy or sell signals. Sometimes they suggest exit points. However, they don't explain the reasoning behind these signals unless you've programmed the indicator yourself. This leads to a style of trading where decisions are made solely on indicator signals without deeper analysis. Trading without understanding the logic? That's risky. Some traders prefer fast decisions and find this very convenient, while others prefer a more analytical, logical, or empirical approach. If you like deep reasoning, I don't recommend using signal indicators. Examples of these indicators include buy-sell arrows, reversal indicators, and similar automated trading tools. Information indicators. On the other hand, information indicators serve a different purpose. They don't give buy or sell signals. Instead, they provide valuable data directly on your chart, eliminating the need to search for third-party insights. They provide valuable insights you would have otherwise gathered manually. They assist in decision-making by aggregating critical data, helping you determine whether to enter or exit a trade. Let's say a trader would have used the currency strength meter to check the strength of each of the currency against one another. That trader, instead of going to third-party websites like currencystrengthmeter.com or maybe other similar website that can give that kind of information, the trader will just use the currency strength meter indicator directly on the trading platform, maybe MT5 or TradingView, and then we just read the data from there directly, because that will shorten the amount of time he would have used in going to the other website to confirm. There are also traders whose trading depends majorly on market sessions. They want to know when the market session starts and when the market session ends. For example, the London session, the New York session, the Asian session. They want to know when each of the sessions begin or end. So instead of going to a website like forexfactory.com or other similar website that can give the same information, they will just apply an indicator on the chart that will just separate the chart into the different trading zones, thereby making their decision-making process easier and less cumbersome. Okay, so there are many other similar indicators that traders incorporate in their trading that makes their analysis time reduce drastically. These are the indicators I call information indicators. They do not trade for you, they empower you. They assist your trading. They assist your decision-making process. They give you the control. That's why these indicators are the indicators I recommend. There are a ton of them. People trade with different information. So you look for the indicators that can aggregate the information you would have sought for manually. You look for those indicators to ease your trading. That's the goal of these information indicators. These indicators don't trade for you. They empower you. They assist your trading decisions, giving you the control. That's why these are the indicators I recommend. In the end, indicators are just tools. It's how you use them that determines your success. If you rely on signals without understanding them, you are gambling. But if you use indicators to assist your decision, you are making smarter, informed trades. In trading, success doesn't come from blindly following signals. It comes from interpreting information, recognizing patterns, and making strategic moves. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. Thank you for watching.